So, hello and welcome for the very last time in this competition. This is John Champion with Jim Beglin to keep me company. Well, the atmosphere here is truly terrific. The linesman's kept his flag down. Now the chance. Hits the ball. Oh, sensational! Could that be the goal that guides them to glory? Do you put that down to good finishing or to poor defending?
Well, the keeper was helpless because his defence was a bit hapless then, so he was easily able to help himself.
At the priceless opener.
Oh, look, from experience I can tell you that the first goal is always vital in any final. It can make such a psychological difference.
He's got in. It's a good hit! And here they come once more.
Oh, it's in!
And that is simply superb! A moment of significance for Manchester United. The keeper just didn't deal with it, and his team has paid the price.
Well, listen, last line of defence and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
The game restarts with the scores level again.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
A cross in. It's cleared. Clever ball. Clichy. Poor ball that's intercepted. Wants to get this forward. Here's Silva and Barry. Here's Nasri. Got it. Tried to play it through. Could be a chance now.
It's
and
a goal.
That is quite wonderful. That could turn out to be a big, big goal. A great finish in a one-on-one situation.
I just thought he was alert and direct. There was no messing about. He was too quick for the keeper, and that's a fine finish.
They've got a precious one-goal lead.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Quarter of an hour gone in the first half. Oh, it's been cut out. It's on for him. And that's going a long way. And he's offside, the flag is up. Here's Balotelli, Tevez. No, that won't be finding its target. Silva plays this forward, looking to thread it through. It's through. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? That will go behind for a goal kick. Barry and Silva. Now Lescott. Here's Compani. Here's Balotelli. Balotelli. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. This is very pleasing on the eye. Clichy. Here's Silva. 30 minutes played. Clichy. Silva on the ball. Beautiful through ball over the top. It's come through to him nicely. Oh, a decent effort. He knocks it in. Here's Barry. Silva. Just caught him. Making inroads deep into opposition territory. He decides to shoot. Picked off. What about this? What a reprieve that was.
Oh, he did really well to force the mistake by pressuring them like that. That's great grit for you.
Here's Silva.
Well, if they're going to trouble this opposition, then every single player has to contribute more. Their passing needs a serious lift.
He plays it through. He gets his shot away. Keeper got his hand to it.
He was in such a great position in front of goal, and you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
Tevez. It swung into the middle. Great build-up, pity about the outcome.
And that was lovely wing play. There's nothing wrong with the supply, but the finish was sadly lacking.
And he hits it in towards the middle. He really should have done better from there. There is the end of the first period.
Well, although they're ahead, they've been quite limited on the ball, really, for me. The fans will want them to open up a bit more, certainly get more width in their play, need more of an expansive game.
Just one goal separates them, 2-1 on the score sheet. Here's Barry. Picked it off. Slides it through. Here's a shot! That was a super ball in.
And the defence was completely beaten then. Exploiting that space in behind has proven very effective for them in this game. It's good stuff.
Tevez beats him to it. And Aguero. An illegal challenge, says the ref. Intercepted. Shoots. That was really close.
Or maybe he just cut across the shot slightly and that made it track the wrong side of the post, but that's very unlucky.
Balotelli. Clichy. Lescott. Chance for a shot! Just off target.
Well, when he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
Nasri. Here's Barry. Zabaleta. The ball's with Nasri. Switches play to the other side. Square ball across the defence.
Yeah, they're just finding it hard now to produce that extra bit of craft that can make all the difference. That key pass.
Here's Nasri. And Tevez. Through ball over the top. Intercepted. He's got in. He's looking to play it into the channel. Strikes it, and it's off the post. Surely this time it's led to a goal. It's a comfortable lead now, 2 goals. It is scintillating to watch.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They now lead by 2.
Well, they've got themselves into such a good position now with a 2-goal cushion. I wouldn't like to be in their dressing room if they let this one slip.
Got it. Sends the ball wide. Across. It went over the goal line, so goal kick here. They're off on the counter. Tries to slide it past the defence. Balotelli. Aguero. Wants to get this forward. Here's Aguero. Aguero. Plays this forward. Aguero. Looking to carve open the defence. This could be interesting. And there's a goal! Brilliant! They're back in it now. That was expertly dispatched.
Well, I thought once he got the first part of it right by getting his knee over the ball, it was always likely to be drilled very low, and so it proved.
They kick off, only 1 ahead now.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now.
A fine display of slick passing. He's on a promising run. Well, there was a chance to get the ball into the area, but maybe it's gone now.
It's all about good concentration now. When the body tires, the brain tends to go with it, so they've really got to dig in now to stay ahead.
Tries to slide it past the defence. No, beaten to it. Here's Lescott. Zabaleta. Silva, already a goal scorer in this match. Now Tevez. He volleys it. He'll be disappointed with that. They're happy just to let the clock run down in the closing stages. And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. They have done it here. Deserving cup winners today, and what an incredible achievement it is. And the partying, I'm sure, is going to go on long into the night, maybe much longer. It's their day, their season, and their title. Their domination throughout the campaign has brooked no argument. They are deserving champions.
Oh, what a fantastic match to round it all off. Again, they had to battle really hard, as they've done all season, but that's what's brought them to success. Do you know, in my experience, this is always one of those strange feelings, because yes, you're champions, yes, you've won, but sometimes you just don't know what to do. You don't know how to celebrate.
With that, it's time for me to thank my co-commentator Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.